Hello.
Welcome to the Barbaric Biologists
Cooking Show, dedicated to Mr. Barrington.
All right, let's put on our aprons.
Woo! Aprons are crazy.
Love
And
aprons.
The number one rule of cooking and biology are the same.
Mhm.
Safety first.
Safety first.
Don't want to get your protists on your, you know.
No more of those bacteriophages.
Bacteria, not the viruses.
Nope, no more viruses
The
for us.
viruses kind of suck.
All right. Today,
we will be making for you a great recipe
That's
using
right.
only parts of a plant that are labeled as vegetables, which include roots, stems, leaves,
and flowers. We will do the flowers part later.
Right
But
now we have for you some
yes,
roots,
got the roots with carrots,
fruits,
and we have what's called Rainbow
Rainbow
Swiss
Swiss
chard.
chard.
It's basically psychedelic Swiss chard.
Look at this.
What makes it so colorful, Mishu?
I don't know, let me tell you. There are these things in the Swiss chard that they get their color from compounds called betalains.
That's right.
Betalains.
Look at that.
Betalains are nitrogen-containing, water-soluble compounds
Wow.
that
Tell me more.
accumulate in the stem of these Swiss chards, and they function as nutrients, and they help the plant retain
That's right.
food,
Yep.
and they also help from protecting the plants from UV rays, since they're colorful, and we all know we studied chlorophyll, and these plants protect the color, the betalains protect the plants from the sunlight or too much UV exposure. That's where they get the color from.
That's very cool. Thank you for
Berries.
sharing,
No
Mishu.
problem. There's the yellow ones at berries.
Yes.
It's crazy.
It's really crazy. So, we're going to start our dish. We are going to make Rainbow Swiss chard salad,
Woo!
topped with carrots,
Carrots.
and then dressed, of course, with fig and walnut savory artesian
balsamic vinaigrette.
Yes, it's very artsy.
How artsy, yeah.
Yeah.
And so
So,
we're gonna start off with
by cutting
cutting
the
them.
Swiss chard.
And while we cut, we'll just tell you a little more about plants in case you wanted to know.
Starting with the leaves.
The leaves are the parts, those ones. These ones.
Leaves, the big green things.
Yes.
Y'all know what leaves.
You know
love
what leaves are if you pass that.
They're the main photosynthetic organ of the plant.
Of the plant.
And they provide so much nutrients to the plant, other than the roots. And you can tell that they have a lot of chloroplasts in them because of how green they are.
How green they are.
Yeah, so we're going to take these energized. Oh, thanks so much.
I also are really good fans.
Really great fans.
All the chlorophyll.
Yeah, so these leaves that are very, very, very nutrient
Very nutrient rich.
and very healthy, we are going to cut them up to serve as the leaves for the salad.
Exactly.
Let's start cutting.
Let's. Also on the
First,
Swiss chard.
While he does that and talks, I will cut up the Swiss chard.
Look at her go. Also on the Swiss chards, there are the stems. The
Wow.
stems function as support for the plant, and they also contain the,
Let's switch places.
let's switch places. They also contain the buds, which is where the plant grows from. The apical meristem right below the tip of the plant is where the plant actually starts growing. And they're also useful for moving nutrients from the roots to the actual plant.
That's right.
Leaves.
And water.
And water.
Which is
nutrients
an
and water,
essential
which is
nutrient.
so essential. That's why there are things called xylem and phloem.
Wow.
They might sound really weird, but hey, they're useful.
They're useful. it's okay. They're kind of scientifically termed that way.
Yeah. But simplifying it, xylem is basically the things that, the little pipes that conduct water and dissolved minerals upward into the roots. And the other parts are called phloems, which transport the sugar, usually to the leaves where they need it the most.
That's right.
And it helps just develop the leaves and the fruit, and that's how they get the stuff from the nutrients where the roots are up to the leaves where you actually need them.
Now, as I continue to cut up the Swiss chard, and Nisha will help me, I will start peeling the carrots.
What are
Zucchini?
carrots, Ariel?
They are roots. Can you tell me a little bit about roots,
Roots
Nisha?
are crazy.
Love needs
Oh
some
my
roots.
goodness, roots! Can you believe it? Roots. What can I say about roots?
Oh my
What
God.
can I say about roots? Roots are really the thing that, the foundation. Like, you know, you lay the foundation of a house? Roots are the foundation of the plant.
That's right.
The roots really hold the plant in place, literally. The roots function as support or grounding for the plant so it can actually grow upward.
They
Otherwise-
also perform a main function of giving nutrients to the plant
Exactly.
from
That's
the ground.
the ground, which contains phosphorus, nitrogen,
Other essential minerals.
all the minerals, and the
That's
soil.
right.
And that's why important English. The most important part about soil is how nutrient rich it is, and that's why good soil is very necessary to grow good plants.
It also gives, since it has so much nutrients, the plant has a lot more color. And the more color that the plant has, the healthier and the more energized and nutrient it is.
Exactly.
No?
That's the superfood food part of this whole thing. It's
Yes.
crazy to see how much you can actually gain from plants.
Did you know that Swiss chard is a superfood?
Oh my goodness!
Wow.
You've gotta be lying to me.
You know what?
Something this colorful and good looking? A superfood?
Yeah.
Say it ain't so.
Man. I read it in a woman's magazine the other day.
I heard those are really reliable. Those
The Women's Health magazine was talking about different recipes. You can use superfoods like kale
kale.
and Swiss chard.
And kale is also a leaf.
That's
And we
right.
talked about leaves, and leaves are just a great part.
Yep.
Any addition to any plant,
You know
leaves
what?
are so important because
Leaves
they have
are
the
so
whole chlorophyll thing going on.
Yeah, they have so many chloroplasts in them.
Oh,
they
man.
perform so much photosynthesis.
It's just great.
Yeah.
Great, look at this. We got some leaves, we
Wow.
got some stems, and you mix it all up and it gets crazy.
Look at that. Yeah. It looks insane. So much
Good,
color.
that's
So much color. And you know what? Do we want to cut up the rest of these?
I don't know, they just look really nice.
They do. You know what? Let's do it. Alright, I'll finish cutting up these.
And I'm gonna go wash them because that's important because plants come naturally off the earth with a little bit of wax on their cuticle and sometimes a little bit of dirt because they're on the ground. So just for your safety, no salmonella, no Ebola, I don't want extra hospital bills. So we're just gonna wash them.
Make your life a lot easier. While Nisha does that, I'm going to continue and cut up the rainbow Swiss chard.
Also remember, if you're working with such nutrient-rich plants such as these, you don't want to soak it in water. You just want to run it through so that it doesn't lose its nutrients through water. Because as I said, the betalain that are in the stem,
Yes.
they're water soluble. So if you get too much water in them, they may
Nitrogen
disappear.
filled, right?
Nitrogen containing
That's
water
right.
soluble compounds.
That's right.
So if you get too much water, you just might lose all the nutrients in there.
Now, I threw the and what you would want in a salad. So,
But honestly, carrots are just so good.
carrots are so good. So good for you.
Here we go. They have, that's nice, different colors. And, you know, honestly, these different colors are great. They look beautiful. The salad's gonna look beautiful. They're gonna look beautiful. It's gonna be so healthy. Who needs flaming hot Cheetos when you have carrots?
Who needs that? Who needs Lay's potato chips? I like
back
Sun
to the
Chips.
salad.
I like Sun Chips. Hey, Sun Chips.
Wash
Put some water in there.
Wash there.
And then dump the,
Agua.
ooh, as the French say, de l'eau.
But then you call it.
We're going to, you know what? Why don't we just use our hand over that? We are now straining the water. We're gonna strain the water.
You know
Just
what brings me a bite of glass, am I right?
come on, Barry. Let's be so, what a gag. So, it's fine. It's fine. So, I'm telling you know, this salad is some real advanced
It looks
placement level
great.
stuff.
Advanced.
Advanced
Do we have a little
placement
salad or
level
am I just gonna go
stuff.
for it? Do we have like a little salad pucker or am I just gonna, I'm gonna go for it.
You know
I
what?
went for it.
You can go for it.
Oh, we went for it.
Hey, you can do that. You can toss it first, and then we do this. We have some nice tongs.
No, she didn't.
Tongs. We have tongs, and what we're going to do to the salad is toss it. And we're going to toss it. And we can just leave it in this bowl a little bit. If we have any excess,
So
we
it's
can make
easier
sure.
to talk.
That's right.
Yeah.
And then we can have even proportioned
Exactly.
things. Can I have a little more leaves?
For sure, for sure.
Thank you.
A few more of these goodies.
Goodies.
Ooh. Imagine if they passed out carrots on Halloween
Seriously.
instead of toothbrushes.
Now we're going to put dressing. Make sure to shake up the dressing.
Shake, shake, shake it off. Shake it off. Oh, oh, oh.
Shake it off. So we are going to pour the dressing
Or the dressing.
on to the salad.
How does it taste?
Don't put too much now. We don't want an overly dressed salad.
Oh.
There we go.
Great.
Isn't it cool?
Looks healthy. Looks healthy.
We're going to shoot a shot of this for you in just a second.
Just you wait.
Would you toss my salad for me?
I would be honored.
Aw, thanks so much. You know, so you know what? Along with making a great dish, we made sure to include biology information about plants.
So you learn, you fill your brain, and you fill your stomach.
And you fill your brain with some essential brain chemicals from these plants.
Brain food.
Brain food! Check it out!
Can you imagine?
You know, here is our salad.
It looks great. Look at all those veggies. Look at all those colors.
bellies,
Oh, man.
all these
And
stems.
the best part of cooking is the eating.
Let me grab us a fork.
Please do. I'm so
Here you
excited.
go.
I'm so excited.
Fork!
Fork.
It's time.
So excited.
Here we go.
Here we go. No delaying now.
No.
Yeah, it's done.
It's in
You have to
and down that.
go. Okay. That's pretty good. That's better than what you would have done. I'm just glad we won.
Me too. Don't get any of those nasty viruses or bacteria out of the ground. Don't want any of that.
It tastes very healthy too. But no one's complaining for some Kubo food.
Now, that's all the time me and Nishu have for you. Thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for a show with me and Shay Folly using flowers.
Whoa.